Standard 3rd, Subject EVS. Hello students, my name is Mrunal and today we are going to learn an interesting topic on EVS. So our topic for today is so many kinds of animals. You may have seen different kinds of animals around you. Also you may have seen pictures of different animals in your books. If you have visited zoo, you have also seen animals there and you know about different animals. Today we are going to know about these animals more, such as where they live, how they move, and many more things about these animals. So, are you ready? Let's start our lesson. First, let's see kinds of animals. There are three kinds of animals: land animals, water animals, and air animals. From the name, you have known that these kinds of animals are determined on the places where they live, that is the habitat. Now, let's see these kinds of animals. The first kind has two more types in it, that are pets and wild animals. Pet animals are the animals which we keep at home, such as dog, cat, etc. Wild animals are the animals which live away from human settlements. For example, tiger, lion, etc. They are mostly found in forest areas. The second kind of animal is water animals. Animals which live in water are called water animals. They are also called as aquatic animals, such as fishes, octopus, turtle, etc. The third kind of animal is air animals. We have two more types. There are birds and insects in that. Birds and insects both have wings, so the both are found in air. But the wings of birds are more stronger than insects. Birds have two legs, whereas insects have six or more than that legs. And insects are smaller in size than birds. Some examples of birds are crow, sparrow, parrot, etc. And examples of insects are butterfly, ladybug, mosquitoes, etc. Now, you saw that these kinds of animals is based on the places where these animals live. But there are some animals which live on land and also in water. See, here is a Venn diagram. That is, on the one side of the circle, you can see animals which live on land. They are bear, horse, bee, and cat. On the other side of the circle, you can see animals which live in water. They are fishes. And in the middle, where both the circles are joining and forming a new circle, you can see animals like duck, hippo, and crocodile. These are the animals which live on land and in water. They are also called as amphibians. So, there are such animals which live on land and in water. One of them is also frog. Now, you saw kinds of animals. As different animals live in different places, also each animal have differences between them. Not all animals are same. So, let's see the differences between them. The first difference between animal is the place where they live. We saw kinds of animals on this base, that animals live on land, on water, and in air, and it is the difference between them. The second difference between animal is the color. We find animals in different colors. The first color is here white.
Here is a picture of a rabbit and next to it a picture of a bird swan which also comes under animal kingdom. These are the both animals which are found in white color. There are animals which are found in different colors. Let's see the next color.
Here is the animals which are found in black color. That is a picture of a buffalo and crow. These animals are found in black color. Here are animals which are colorful such as peacock. Peacock is also a national bird. You can see peacock is found in different colors, so it is called as a colorful animal. At the other side you can see a picture of a deer. Deer is also found in a brownish goldenish color, so it is also called as colorful animal. The third difference between the animals is their size. Each animal have different colors and live in different places, and also they are of different sizes. The first size between the animals is large. There are animals which are very large in size, such as elephant and giraffe. If you see these both animals, they are very large in size or big in size. Next is medium size animals. You can see here a picture of a goat and again a picture of a deer, because these are the animals which are in medium sizes. Next is small sizes animals. Here you can see picture of a squirrel and next to it a picture of rabbit and downwards a mice. These are three animals which are small in size. There are many more animals which are such small in size. So, we saw that animals are in three sizes: large, medium, and small. And in such way, animals have three differences. First, the place where they live, second, their color, and third, their sizes. Till now, you saw kinds of animal and their differences. Now, let's take a look on movements in animals. As different animals live in different places, they also move in different ways. This is a picture of a hopping kangaroo. And here is a picture of a flying eagle. You saw that the kangaroo was hopping, but the eagle flies because it is their way of moving. A kangaroo cannot fly and an eagle cannot hop. They have their own ways of moving. The next picture is of galloping horse, means running horse. A horse moves by running because it is his way of moving. In such way, different animals move in different ways. Now, till now we saw movements in animals, kinds of animals and their differences. Now let's see how these different animals are useful for us in different ways. Here is a picture of a cow. Cow gives us milk, and from that milk we can make curd, yogurt, paneer, cheese, butter and many more things. Like cow, buffalo and goats also gives us milk. The next is hen. Hen provides us eggs and meat, which gives us protein. The next picture is of sheep. Sheep gives us wool, from which we can make woolen clothes. Animals like horse and donkey helps us in carrying heavy burdens. These are the animals which helps us in various ways. But not only these animals but also the pet animals which we keep with us help us in different ways, such as dog helps us in guarding our house. The next pet animal is cat. Cat helps us for catching the mice which can destroy our food grains. Now, these were the animals which helps us and are useful for us in many different ways. We love these animals. We also keep these animals with us. As we keep them with us, it is our responsibility to take care of them, to look after them, to give them food, water, and also to look after them when they are not well. There are some animals which we don't like, which create trouble for us. They are called as crashers. They are called as gatecrashers because they create trouble for us and we don't like them around us. Such animals are rat, as rat destroys our grains and other things, so we don't like them in our homes. We also don't like spiders in our homes because spider makes cope webs. The next is bedbug. Bedbugs are mostly found in furniture or wooden things, but they suck our bloods. Next is mosquitoes. We don't like mosquitoes around us at all, and they also make us sick. So, these are the animals which we don't like at all and which create trouble for us, even though they have an important place in nature. Till now, we saw animals which are useful to us and also animals which create trouble for us. Now, let's move on to the next. Characteristics. We have seen that animals around us can be grouped in different ways. Do you saw the animals which were grouped in different ways, such as the place where they live, according to their color, according to their size, according to their moving style? These were the different ways we grouped the animals. But when scientists classify animals, they look at the characteristics of animals. So, now let's see the group of animals according to their characteristics. The first group is of mammals. Mammals are the animals which fed their young ones. The young ones of mammals are fed by their mother's milk. Mammals suckle their young ones. Some of the examples of mammals are polar bear, cow and calf, elephant, lion and cub, etc. These are the animals which have hairs on their body and have external ears. You saw all the examples of mammals. You have noticed that all these have hairs on their body and they have external ears. The next group, according to the characteristic, is of birds. You saw also in air animals that birds have two wings, two legs, and one beak from which they eat their food and drink water. Birds move by flying, but there is also a difference in the moving ability of the birds. Such as some birds can fly high in the sky and can remain for a long time in the sky. But at the other side, there are some birds which cannot fly such high and come down very soon, such as birds like eagle can fly very high, but birds like cock, duck cannot fly such high. The third group, according to the characteristic, is Water animals. Animals which live in water are called water animals, and they are also called as, yes, aquatic animals. Mostly fishes are found or said to be water animals. Also, different animals live in water are called water animals, such as octopus, turtle, and many other. Now, if you see a fish has fins which helps him to move forward in water. And also, a gill is situated behind the eye of a fish which helps him to breathe in water. The next group of animals according to characteristic is reptiles. Reptiles have scales on their body. They cannot run or walk. They just can creep and crawl. Some examples of reptiles are turtle, crocodile, snake, lizard, etc. Here is a picture of a lizard. Lizards have four short legs by which it can crawl on the ground. And snake have no legs, so it just creeps on the ground. The next group of animals according to the characteristic is the next group is of insects. Insects have two wings and six or more than that legs. Insects are very tiny in size. Some of the examples of insects are ladybug, dragonfly, grasshopper, ant, mosquito, butterfly, beetle, moth, and bee. These are the examples of insects. Now, you saw five groups of animals. The first group was of mammals. Second, yes, of birds. Third, of water animals. Fourth, of reptile. And the fifth group of insects. Now, here we come to an end. So now, let's take a recap and see what we have learned throughout our lesson. Things which we have learned. Different animals are found in the air, on the ground, and in water. There are differences in colors, shapes, and sizes of animals, and also in the ways they move. We find some animals useful. We keep such animals. Some animals create trouble for us. Scientists classify animals according to certain important characteristics. Now, we have learned all these things throughout the lesson. But one more thing we have learned, and that is variety is a rule of nature. Whether it's animals, plants, or humans, we can see different varieties in each of them. As no one is same, you cannot tell that two persons are same, or two animals are same, or two birds are same. Each animal, each bird has a different variety in it. Now, let's move on to some activities. Here are the activities for you. Your first activity is draw animals which are black or white in color. You saw animals of different colors. Now you have to draw animals which are in black or white in color. The second activity is draw animals which are small in size. We saw animals are in three sizes. Yes or no? Yes. So now you have to draw animals which are small in size. The next activity for you is find the names of the animals from the given puzzle. I will be giving you a puzzle and you have to find names of animals from that puzzle. For example, I have found two names for you. One, wolf, and the second, lion. In such way, you have to find names of animals. Here comes the puzzle for you. Now you have to find names of different animals from this puzzle. Start. I hope you have found the names of the animals from these puzzles and you enjoyed learning and knowing about animals. Thank you.